What's happening, everyone? Welcome to my channel. I literally just checked Axie Infinity's price right now. I just wanted to see how it's doing, and what the hell? It has passed two full extensions. It, it has passed two full extensions, okay, and is on its way up to the third extension. Now this price, well, Omi's equivalent of that price would be, so if we pass two full extensions and got more, that we're talking 15 cents. We're talking 15, 20 cents here. Still going up. Who? See, this is what I mean. Who buys Axie Infinity at this level? It's still going up. Oh my god, see that, a lot of people, even me, think, why would someone buy Omi at even these prices here or these prices here? Like, why? But if we look at every market, literally, people buy even at all-time highs or above all-time highs. Wow. I don't know the news, or like for Axie Infinity, maybe they released something. I don't know what happened, but as we can see, this analysis is somewhat relevant, because we can see it did respect certain levels. So it respected a lot of these levels here. This one especially, this one as well, we can see. So there is you can still do analysis, obviously, for these type of markets, but it's so volatile and so different and so new that, you know it's just crazy. And I think if Omi was to do something like that, we can see crazy prices very soon, very soon. So let's just talk about what happened. So for Omi, we saw the price climb. We saw it close above the 382, which I thought was enough, but I knew for some reason it would come back down to retest this. Well, not for some reason, for a good reason, because usually in markets, when there are an area of when there is an area of resistance, especially like this type, so it did reject, I guess once, two, three, four times it rejected in a long duration. We did break past it, and I thought, in my previous video, let's just close this. I don't want to see that. We did break past it, and I knew we were gonna come back down to retest it. Either retest the highest point, so this bit of the box or the area, or the lowest point. Um, so this bit, and we did come back down to retest the lower boundary of that box, which I said in my previous video that it might do, and it did. Um, and after that, we've actually pushed up and consolidated above this area of previous resistance, and we've made it into an area of support, which is really good. Consolidating above an area of resistance is really good, especially if after the consolidation we go above it, which is exactly what we've done 2 days ago, yesterday, and today. We're doing this. We're going up from this area, so that's really, really good for Omi. Right now we are battling the 382 Fibonacci level for Omi, which is the 5.7 level. 5.7. If we do close above the 5.77 level and just manage to close above it, I think that'll be enough to push the price up to around the 6 level if we do break past the previous high of this trend, which is about, I guess, 6.0 to 6.3ish. If we do break past that, our next step is obviously the 0.5 level, which is an area of resistance. Like, it's a it's a strong area of resistance, let's say that. After that we have the 618, the 702, the 786 and the 1. Now if we done, let's just bring up AXS. So if we done, if we do what AXS done, hold on. So we did come here, which is the, we did come here, which is the 382 level. And then once we broke out of it, or once AXS broke out of it, it went on to the 0.5 over here. So it comes here, rejects just for 1 day, and then goes up again, and stops at the 0.618. You know, consolidates. Obviously, we can't see the consolidation, but within that day, there was a bit of consolidation. Comes up to the 702. That's the 702. Yeah, definitely. You see, there's a lot of resistance. A lot of resistance at the 702, which for OMI would be the 0.0096 level. So as we can see, there is certain rejections from there, but I mean, we haven't gone up there to see. So after the 702, we saw it break past the 786, you know, easily. Because once the 702 is done, you know, once it's broke past, there is a high chance that it will break past the other ones. So, and also usually ABC corrections. So like if it was to come up here, like if it was to come up here, like up here, come down, go up to the 702, that would be an A, B, C, and then we'll just come back down. So the 702, basically, if we can pass above the 702, it confirms that we are not in an ABC correction and that we are going above those resistance levels. So if we can pass the 702, that'll be crazy. That'll be very, very optimistic. Everyone will be. There'll be so much good news at that time as well. Like I know for a fact there'll be a lot of good news at that time. And yeah, and then we came to the obviously the one, the previous high. And after that we just Axie Infinity just broke out, done its consolidation. After the consolidation, broke out again. After another consolidation, it broke out again. That it's just crazy. Oh, yeah, it's just crazy, man. So yeah, like I was saying, we broke out of the pennant. Oh, this is the pennant. So we go up, consolidate, go up again. Let's close these. Yep. And yeah, so we broke out of that pennant. And hopefully with some good news within the week. Maybe. Oh, we also have, I think there was a Japanese game. Yeah, something about a Japanese game NFT. So if we do get that this week, I think Dan said that it will come out this week. Or was it David Yu? I think David Yu. He said it will come out within a couple weeks, and that was last week. So if we do get that news and it is a big game, then I think, you know, we're breaking past this point. There's no way we're sticking around here for a long time. As soon as we break past, look, right now we're at the 5.7 or 5.72. As soon as we break past that 5.77 and close above it, maybe tonight we close above it. I just have a feeling we're going to close above it tonight. The next couple of days is going to be a good day. And if we can close, if we can close the week, above this 5.7, or maybe even above this, maybe we would be we would be on our way to the highs, man. And this is a very good graph. It's not just, you know, it goes up, comes down, goes up like that. Like it's not. It has a structure. It has a structure to it, which is really good. It's really important as well. So yeah, this is what is really bullish. I just came on here to give a little update. about what's going on here. Because obviously when we're at the 10 cent range, the 20 cent maybe, we're gonna look back and say, wow, we were at these levels and we were just waiting. We obviously know and we knew what was coming. We know what's gonna come. We know Omi's not gonna stay around these prices for long. It's only a matter of time. There's so much potential and there's so much to come. There's so many confirmed things to come and there's so much potential as well. So yeah, it's good to be invested in a project that knows what they're doing, hopefully. Um, but yeah, I will catch you in my next vid. Peace.